The only villain scarier than Darth Vader is his master, the evil Emperor. He looks frail, but don't be fooled. He's ferocious. The Emperor shoots lightning from his fingers, and he's even skilled enough with the dark side of the Force to defeat Jedi Grandmaster Yoda in a lightsaber duel. Like his apprentice, Darth Vader, the Emperor is a Sith Lord, one who goes by Darth Sidious. But while Vader burns with rage, the Emperor is cool and calculating. A puppet master who makes elaborate plans to bend the galaxy to his will. He was formerly called Palpatine, a senator from Naboo, who staged an invasion of his home planet, gaining enough sympathy to become the Supreme Chancellor of the Peaceful Republic. And then he secretly orchestrated the Clone Wars, so everyone would give up their freedom to an Emperor who promised peace. How would you fight someone as evil as the Emperor?